A gift card balance can drop to zero instantly if someone already used the code online, or if it was partially redeemed in-store without the receipt showing you the history. By the end of this, you'll know how to check if a gift card has been used, how to confirm remaining balance correctly, and what to do if the card shows invalid or no balance unexpectedly. First step is checking the balance through the official issuer website. Every major gift card has a balance checker tied to the brand, like Walmart, Amazon, or Visa gift cards. You enter the card number and PIN, and the system shows the current remaining value. If it shows 0 or already redeemed, that's your first clear sign the card has been used. Second step is checking transaction history if the issuer supports it. Some prepaid Visa and MasterCard gift cards show partial spending history. This helps you see whether the card was used in small amounts or fully drained at once. If you see unfamiliar transactions, the card has almost definitely been compromised or used before you received it. Third step is testing the card at checkout with a small purchase. This is a simple real-world check when online tools are unclear or not working. Try using it on a low-cost item or splitting payment if possible. If the system declines it or shows insufficient funds immediately, the card is either empty or invalid. Another important check is verifying activation status. Some gift cards look ready to use but were never properly activated at purchase. In that case, the balance checker may show errors or zero funds even if the card is new. You can confirm activation by contacting the retailer listed on the back of the card. If the card was purchased from a third-party seller, extra caution is needed. Resold or discounted gift cards sometimes get used before delivery, or have partial balances that aren't disclosed. Always run a balance check immediately after purchase to avoid this issue. To wrap it up, checking if a gift card has been used comes down to 3 things: verifying balance on the official site, checking transaction history if available, and testing the card with a small purchase. Start with the issuer's balance checker, confirm activation status, and never wait too long after buying or receiving a card to test it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides on gift cards, payments, and online shopping fixes.